intersection this is. Walmart's right over here. This is 17. This is the command center right here, allegedly. A lot of porta potties over there, so maybe over there.
I don't see any police.
No. Completely unrecognizable. Home Depot. Well, I guess we'll go up to 20th Street then. I don't know how many times I've been down this street. I don't recognize it. I almost feel morbid filming this stuff. A friend of mine named Danny Parker lived back here a ways and off to the south, but that's all. There's what used to be an American flag. These are all homes. I mean, this is all solid homes. Joplin Hospital is right up here. Can you imagine being in these houses when that's hit? I don't know how many cellars there were, but pretty damn many, I'll bet. Power line's down.
No, it's just making me when you see pictures of clothes still in closets.
Yeah. Some stuff that shouldn't have been destroyed, completely destroyed. Some stuff's delicate, still intact. It doesn't make it. Look at the glass still intact in that building there. It's just, we cross these railroad tracks. That should be Joplin High School on the left. And my house was right up there, on top of the hill. See a large brick structure right over there? That's the high school. That's the high school. Indiana.
There's a complete loss.
I used to pick barber up right there at that entrance. The street right here ran right below my house. It's right up there. All those destroyed trees are now. Joplin High School. My old neighborhood up there.
What?
My old neighborhood up there.
I think so. Looks like that man I was talking to you about it.
It does, doesn't it? Go right. You get to the top of the hill. That's where we lived. Right here. Hold it, hold it, hold it. This is 2329 Kentucky, right here. There's our old porch right there. You see that right there? That little piece of little log? That's the back way into the cellar, and you can take stairs up into the main part of the house. Don't know if this car belongs here. We had Christmases here, birthdays. It's all going now. I used to park my truck right there where that red car is. It looked like the basement's still intact, so they probably survived. My house. Kentucky Street. $23.19. We were $23.29. Used to be an Arby's right up here.
It's been years.
Decades. It's the safe way. You can see the hospital over there in the distance. There's 26 and Main.
In a half mile, your destination will be on the right.
Look how big that tree root is.
Ball right there.
Yeah.
So it's incredible. Just incredible. I'm not sure what it was. Office building of some type. St. John's Hospital. This is what's left of Duquesne. Or at least this part of it. The whole area looks like this. Okay. That's sad.
Yep.
Right here. This is my wife's currently. Yeah. I used to pull up into the garage there with my Chevelle with it running. The engine would rattle the wall. Pool right here. See it?
Yep.
Stuff right here. My God. I don't know how many times we came in here and went swimming there. Coming up 20th Street onto Duquesne up here. Right here.